Hello, food lovers. Have you noticed more and more people are choosing plant-based meals? It's not just a trend, it's a delicious way to improve your health and help the environment. From colorful salads to hearty lentil soups, plant-based eating is all about enjoying delicious, good-for-you foods. More and more people are discovering the amazing benefits of plant-based eating. It's about feeling energized, vibrant, and connected to the food on your plate. I'm excited to share my passion for plant-based cooking with you and show you how easy and enjoyable it can be. Ready to discover the power of plants? Let's dive in. In the following sections, we'll explore the amazing health and environmental benefits of plant-based eating, share practical tips to get you started, and uncover the nutritional treasures found in nature's bounty. Get ready to nourish your body and soul with the goodness of plants. Plant-based foods are bursting with nutrients that make your body happy. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. These nutrients work together to keep your body functioning at its best. Eating more plant-based meals can lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. Plant-based foods are naturally low in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can clog your arteries. They are also full of fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. By choosing plant-based meals, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. It's about feeling your best from the inside out. Did you know that choosing plant-based meals is one of the best things you can do for the environment? It's true. Producing meat and dairy products requires a lot of resources like land, water, and energy. It also contributes to greenhouse gas emissions, which are a major cause of climate change. Plant-based foods have a much lower environmental impact. They require less land, water, and energy to produce, and they generate fewer greenhouse gas emissions. By reducing your consumption of animal products and incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet, you can significantly reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a healthier planet. It's a win-win situation. You get to enjoy delicious, nutritious food while also protecting the planet for future generations. Section 4. Simple swaps, big impact, tips for a plant-powered plate. Switching to a more plant-based diet doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by making small changes, one meal at a time. Try swapping out meat for plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils, tofu, or tempeh in your favorite recipes. Instead of reaching for a sugary snack, grab a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts. Experiment with new plant-based recipes like a hearty lentil soup or a colorful veggie stir-fry. You'll be amazed at how delicious and satisfying plant-based meals can be. Remember, every little bit counts. Every plant-based meal you choose makes a difference for your health and the health of the planet. Section 5. Nature's nutritional powerhouse. The goodness of plant-based foods. Plant-based foods are packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to thrive. Let's take a closer look at some of the nutritional powerhouses found in a plant-based diet. Fruits and vegetables are bursting with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, essential for a healthy immune system, good digestion, and overall well-being. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats provide complex carbohydrates, fiber, B vitamins, and minerals like iron and magnesium, which are essential for energy production and cell function. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber, iron, and folate, which is essential for cell growth and development. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. By incorporating a variety of these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you'll be providing your body with the building blocks it needs for optimal health. Section 6. Plant a seed, grow a healthier you. Take the plant-based challenge. Congratulations on taking this journey with me to explore the delicious and healthy world of plant-based eating. I hope you feel inspired to add more plant-powered meals to your life. Remember, every small step you take towards a more plant-based lifestyle makes a difference. Why not challenge yourself to try one new plant-based meal today? Whether it's a simple salad for lunch or a hearty lentil soup for dinner, embrace the opportunity to nourish your body and soul with the goodness of plants. I can't wait to hear about your plant-based adventures. Happy cooking!